Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be reacting to another requested reaction. This is Masked Singer season 14, third place winner. Catwish, all performances and reveal. I forgot who this was, but yeah, let's get into it. And please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. Alright, abracadabra.
To the angels, drawing circles in the clouds.
Alright, she sounds good already.
On the distance, when the devil turns around.
Alright, but those eyes kind of creepy.
Hold me in your heart tonight, in the magic of the dark moonlight. Save me from this empty fire.
Okay, natural audience reaction. Can we have more of those? Oh, is she gonna dance? She has a really nice voice. I like the tone of her voice. I don't remember who this is, but I like the sound of her voice. And also, wouldn't it have been a perfect moment to say meow instead of rar? Okay. There's the meow. Not the backup. Y'all notice the backup dancers? You know how cats chased lasers? The backup dancers were chasing the spotlight. Y'all notice that? That's funny. Okay. Okay, let's stop with the overproduction. Calm down. Okay, dang, that was good. That was a nice performance. And I remember when I reacted to Galaxy Girl, I said that Galaxy Girl was too safe. Like, all her performances, like, they were good, but she didn't do anything to stand out. I feel like just from this first performance, the Catwitch, she's already standing out, doing more stuff outside of the box than Galaxy Girl. So I feel like I feel like the top two should have been Catwitch and Picasso, just based off of this first performance. Okay. Okay, Teenage Dream, Katy Perry. Hey, she has a nice voice.
Don't wait tonight, no regrets. Just love, we can dance.
Trying to hit the notes, but my voice stopped.
We'll be young forever.
Oh, here's the Mortal Kombat characters coming out again.
Let you put your hands on me in my skin tight jeans. Be your teenage dream tonight.
Okay, Goofy. Dang, they look weird with those eyes. Dang, she can sing. Okay, how did Galaxy Girl make it to the top 2 and not Cat Witch? Like, Cat Witch is switching up the song. She's adding like vocal stuff. Super technical words. She's adding like vocal. She's adding, I don't know, like riffs and runs and stuff, like vocal stuff, like textures, like whatever. She's switching up the song so much that these song choices that she's doing, or these choices she's doing for these songs, they sound really good. But Galaxy Girl, I feel like she was too safe and just sang the song, and then she fell to her knees at the end. But just based off of the vocals, I'm surprised that she didn't make it into the top 2. I'm really surprised about that. We don't need to do all that.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore.
Was it supposed to fall?
'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds in my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Oh, don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye.
Oh, yeah, I heard that.
I'll pick up the broken pieces.
She can sing.
till I'm bleeding, if that'll make it right.
This is what's her name? Jordan Sparks. I hear it now. But dang, how did she not make it into the finals? Like, just the way she's singing these songs, I feel like it should have something in my throat. I feel like just the way she's singing the songs should have made her go to the finals. Because, like I said, Galaxy Girl, she was too safe. Like, she did nice performances, she sang fine, but too safe. But Cat Witch, how she not make it?
'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no
They're probably like, Jordan Sparks won American Idol. We don't want her to win another singing competition, so let's give it to Ashley Simpson. But after watching, and I'm not even halfway through, just watching these first few performances of Cat Witch, I disagree with the winner. Like, I thought I was saying his name wrong. Picasso was good too, but I don't know. I feel like I'm more drawn to her voice.
clear skies
So that means everyone has different opinions. You can think whoever you want to win should be the winner. But in my case, dang, Catwitch was robbed, at least for the top 2 spot. Like, how'd she make it third over Galaxy Girl?
If I lose you, baby, just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, every day it'll rain, rain, rain.
Okay, Jordan Sparks. And then it's not her. I'm like, never mind. But sounds like her. I think maybe I saw it in the reveal.
Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found the blue light. Bad witches like me, it's hard to come by. The phone on, let's go get it on.
Okay, I like how they switched up the lyric to witches because it rhymes and stuff, and it fits.
Is it 2, 3? I leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money, that's it. I'm on the floor, floor. I have to dance, so give me more, more. Till I can't stand, get on the floor, floor.
Oh, something stuck in my arm.
If you want more, more, then here I am.
Dang, her vocal choices.
Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop.
Oh, dance break. Oh, she whacking. What's she doing?
Jump in my hoopty hoopty hoop. I own that. And I pay my rent this month. I owe that. Get on the floor, floor.
They just skip that whole other part. They're like, we don't know how to censor that. Dang.
We're meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop.
Oh. Okay, I didn't know she could move. Okay, Whitney Houston. Wait, did she sing this song for American Idol too? I feel like she sang a Whitney Houston song for American Idol. I know.
I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But if you would only take the time, I know in my heart you'd find.
Switch it up.
Oh, girl who's scared sometimes, who isn't always strong. Can't you see the hurt in me? I feel so all alone. I wanna run to you. Ooh, I wanna run to you. Ooh, won't you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run
Oh.
to you.
Key change.
But if I come to you,
Growl.
tell me, will you stay, or will you?
Okay. Better run down.
Wait?
Galaxy Girl. You better leave. Oh. I did not read that when I meant to say that. I was gonna say you need to leave. Like, dang. Someone cat got my tongue. I'm just kidding. But actually, I was gonna say, Galaxy Girl, you need to leave. But I did not know she was gonna sing this song. Get out right now.
I've been waiting all day for you, babe. So won't you come sit and talk to me? You tell me how we're gonna be together always. Hope you know that when it's late at night, I hold on to my pillow tight and think of how you promised me forever.
Anyone
Could make me feel this way.
I'll let you go.
It's just a chance to
I don't remember the words.
say,
Get out right now.
it's the end of you and me. It's too late,
Wow.
and I can't wait for you to be gone. 'Cause I know about her.
Wow.
And I
Oh,
wonder
oh.
how
Oh.
about all those lies you said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. I wanted you right here with me, but I had no choice. You gotta leave because my heart is breaking with every word I'm saying. I gave up everything I had for something.
Oh,
that
break it down, break it down.
didn't last, but I refuse to cry.
Break it
No
down.
tears would fall from these eyes.
Oh,
Get out. You and me, darling. But you about her, and I wonder. Tell me about the lies.
round two. Greedy. Oh, Ariana Grande.
He said, "Are you serious?"
Oh, never mind. I thought she was gonna be singing Greedy.
But I can't
Never mind.
figure out. I've been next to you all night. I still don't know what you're about. Talking, but not much coming out your mouth. Can't you tell that?
Also, before I forget, I think her and Picasso and actually everyone I reacted to, they have really good song choices. So it's not even the song choices that are the problem. Cause like if it was a song choice that was bad, I'll be like, oh, maybe that's why they got cut. But everyone had good song choices, so I'm still salty that Cat Witch was not in the top 2. She's standing out to me. She's doing more things outside of the box more than Galaxy Girl.
And I want you. I would want myself. Baby, please believe me. I'll put you through hell just to know me, yeah. So sure of yourself. Baby, don't get greedy. That just won't end well. No. He said, I'm just curious.
Dang, she's singing so good.
For real, just tonight. If you love or hate me, I never met someone like that. Got me so crazy. You know you had that effect. I said, let me check.
Alright, don't swing your head off. Dang. Those big eyes just shining through the darkness.
I would want myself just to know me, yeah.
How did this not make the top 2? How did Galaxy Girl make it into the top 2? See, these shows are rigged. They're overproduced. Like, I don't understand. Y'all understand? Because I don't. Dang. How did that not make the top 2? I'm so confused. She's singing crazily. She's dancing. Galaxy Girl, what she do? Fall to her knees? And what? Okay. There's no comparison. How did she not make it into the top? That's crazy. 3rd place. Ashley Tisdale does not sing like that. Jordan Sparks. Oh. Oh, that's so funny. I really thought it was Jordan Sparks. Remember, rewind a few minutes ago when I was like, that would be funny if it's not Jordan Sparks, but I really think it is. She sounds like Jordan Sparks, doesn't she? Listen to Jordan Sparks and tell me that she doesn't sound like her. But I don't know who this is. Kylie Cantrell. Whoever she is. Yeah, that's why I was like, I didn't know Jordan Sparks danced, but okay. Because I was like, since when did Jordan dance? But it sounded like her. Guess not. Surprise. Joke's on me. But whoever this is, Kylie Cantrell, I don't know who you are, but you can sing. She has a really good voice, and you should have been in the top 2 instead of Galaxy Girl. But actually, maybe that's why, because I remember before I mentioned, I think during the reveal or something, it's like, oh, sometimes they have, I think I said this during the reveal for, what's that guy's name? Ashley Simpson's husband. I forgot his name. I was like, why was he on the show? Like, shouldn't there be celebrities on the show that people actually know? Like, what has he done? Like, I think I said he wouldn't be known if his mom wasn't famous or if he wasn't married to Ashley Simpson. Maybe that's why the producers didn't put her into the top 2, because people would be like, who is she? Like, not trying to be mean, I just don't know who she is. But regardless, I feel like she should have been in the top 2 because she can sing, she can dance. She did more stuff than Galaxy Girl, and how she get 3rd place. Who chose the winner this season? Like, even though I don't know who she is, she should have been in the top 2. Even though I complained before about people should be famous on the show, because how are you supposed to guess who the person is if they're not famous enough to be known? She should be in the top 2. Should have been in the top 2, because that's how good she was. And sorry, I thought this was Jordan Sparks. They sound so similar. No. Okay. Oh, dang. I did not know. Oh, I thought this was Jordan Sparks.
What an extraordinary performer.
She sounds like Jordan Sparks, though, when she sings.
What was your favorite part about being Cat Witch on The Masked Singer?
I think that's why Ken Jeong was saying Ashley Tisdale. I was like, that does not sound like Ashley Tisdale cannot sing like that. But maybe that's why he was saying that, because this girl's from Disney apparently. Ashley Tisdale's from Disney. So I guess he was trying to guess someone from Disney, which means he doesn't know who this girl is either. But still, she should have been in the top 2.
Well, I was lucky enough to be the insider this season, so America knew my identity all season long. You guys had no clue.
No.
And I have a video to show you guys what I've been up to.
What? Ooh.
Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Check this out. It all started December 10th when I posted this.
Oh, hi, cuties. It's me, Kylie Cantrell, and I have a huge announcement to make. I'm gonna be on season 14 of The Masked Singer.
And every week since, I've been posting more and more content about the show. Which mask am I hiding under?
I want to see those comments.
locked in. I can't believe my journey as America's Insider is coming to an end. It's been such a whirlwind. It's meant so much to me to be able to share my experience.
Wait, I'm confused. Like, why was she actually posting videos online and people knew that she's gonna be on the show? Then why hide her identity if people already know she can be on the show?
It's your girl, Catwish.
That makes no sense.
aka America's Insider.
I think I have accomplished what I set out to do as America's Insider. I've been able to fool the panel.
The name that pops into my head is Addison Rae. Lisa from Blackpink.
This is who I think
Lisa cannot sing like
she
that.
really makes my heart melt. I love her so much. It's my daughter in Descendants, Kylie Cantrell.
Rita, you mean so much to me. I love you. It's been so hard not to text you throughout this whole process.
Yeah.
I'll tell you all the things that have been going on behind
better.
your back. Sorry. Don't be mad. This is Kylie Cantrell, officially signing off as America's Insider. Meow.
So America knew, but we didn't. And Rita is on her way.
She knows how
What?
to run in heels.
How does America know, but the judges don't? What? That doesn't make sense. The judges have their phone. Like, stuff pops up if they're on Instagram or something. Like, how do the judges not know? I don't know. I don't understand that. But I guess that's why she's wearing a disguise walking around, because they didn't want the judges to know. But I don't know. I'm confused. I'm trying to think, because I thought that they pre-recorded these shows like a long time ago, like a few months before like they even air the first episode. But I guess they don't do that anymore. I don't know.
I can't just watch you and not hug you. I just have all my
Give it up for him, y'all.
Wait, Rita Ora played her mom on Descendants, but they look like they're the same age.
I'm so proud of you.
Descendants reunion.
Like, literally the coolest thing ever. Like, I cried. I
Oh
literally
my gosh! And I was crying. You couldn't see because I was under my Catwitch mask, but
were?
there was like a single tear that dropped down my face when you were crying.
This was just such an incredible celebration of you as an artist and seeing you sing all those songs and coming.
Wait. Couldn't film. Oh,
As
I
an
see.
artist and seeing you sing all those songs and coming out as your own, and it's just so cool to have you here.
We all know the two of you are co-stars. It's so crazy. You play her mother.
I know.
On
Don't
the
worry, I
Descendants.
look different in movie, but
I've seen it. My kids love it.
okay.
What was the
Actually, I think I know Descendants. I've heard of Descendants. Maybe I saw a clip, cause sometimes, well, I don't really listen to Rita Ora like that, but like if something pops up, like a performance or something, I'm like, oh, let's see. I feel like I've seen an image or a video of Rita. I think, was she the Queen of Hearts or something? I might have seen a clip from the two of them. I don't know. But yeah, I don't watch Disney Channel like that. I don't even watch TV. I mostly watch YouTube. But yeah, maybe I have heard of her before, just didn't know her name or remembered her face or whatever. But she should have been top two.
connection with Robin?
I don't know how many
So
times
my
I gotta say
dad
that.
has worked with you, Robin,
Yes, it was on Maya's album.
and my dad actually wrote "Get Out," so it was so cool that I got to.
Oh, really?
Perform tonight.
Okay.
My father actually
Get
wrote.
out right now.
Never liked me again.
Never again. I'm so grounded.
I love you. Off with the head. Off with the head.
Kylie, you were absolutely incredible all season long. All right, let's give it up one more time for the artist formerly known as Catwitch, Kylie Cantrell.
Let's go.
Hands on me, wanna feel my denim. Is it bad that I might just let him? Got him strung by the way I fit him. Hands on me, wanna feel my denim. Is it bad that I might just let him? They keep me, baby, please don't tell him. He likes the way.
Is this beat sampled from Britney Spears' "Slave for You"? Because like when the instrumental started, it was like sounds like Britney Spears.
It's the moment we've all been waiting.
Okay, that's the end. Also, how you gonna sing like that all season and like your original song sound like that? Like you had all these strong vocal moments and vocal choices in these performances for these covers, but then your original song sound like that. Like, how come you don't have the same, use the same vocal craziness in your own song? I'm gonna need her to, maybe that's her most popular song, but I'm gonna need her to sing like she has been singing on her own songs too. But yeah, I think she was robbed for top 2 spot because she was so good. And shout out to Jordan Sparks because I thought this was her, but guess not, because she sounds good, or she sounds similar to Jordan Sparks. Or maybe it's just me. I don't know. But yeah, Cat Witch was really good. Should have been in the top 2. Galaxy Girl, get out right now. Just kidding. But yeah, I don't think she deserved that spot after seeing the Cat Witch. She stood out so much more to me. Anyway, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, SEKSHI. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.